Hey guys, today we have a Volvo S40 in for a headliner repair, and as you can see it's sagging quite bad. This one's also got the sunroof shade and that's also sagging, so we're going to have to drop down this headliner board and remove it out the car, take off the old foam, remove the old fabric. That all goes in the bin, and then we reapply brand new material and then reinstall it back in. So I will put the GoPro on soon and you guys can follow along. If you find this video helpful, just give it a thumbs up, comment below your biggest takeaway or what you might else want to see in the days and weeks ahead, and we'll try to cover that for you guys. Also just click that subscribe button, that really helps us out, and we'll get stuck into this one now. So here we go. So guys, a couple of options to recover the sunroof shade. Option one could be you drop down this sunroof panel shade, and sometimes you've got to take out the exterior glass to take the shade panel out, and then you can recover it outside the vehicle, or you can recover it inside the vehicle, which we'll show you today on how to do that step. So once this headliner board is out and the seal is all gone and taken away, you can then lay a blanket down inside this car, take off this old material, scrub down that sunroof shade, remove all that old orange foam, and then cut out a panel of fabric, brand new fabric, ready to go on here, slightly bigger than you need, and spray the back of that fabric. We use 3M glue for this one, like a high-tack 3M glue, and spray the panel as well, and then bring the fabric together and stick it on here and get one side lined up perfectly. Make sure you have overhang at the front here to overlap the panel, and then I'll get that sharp razor blade and razor blade all the sides so it's all cleanly cut, and once it's all together you don't see any of those razor blade cuts, and that will be it, and that will work out perfectly. So we'll show you that as well. Finally finished, guys. That's the S40 Volvo headliner, all complete. It took a good part of 6 hours to do this one. So yeah, if you liked the video, man, just give it a thumbs up, click that subscribe button if you haven't already, and we'll see you here on the next video. Cheers.